two ladybugs are in the process of mating, a natural behavior that is part of their reproductive cycle. Ladybugs, also known as ladybird beetles, are small insects with bright red or orange bodies and black spots. They are well known for being beneficial to gardens and crops because they feed on aphids and other pest insects. The mating behavior of ladybugs is a fascinating display of nature's complexity. In the wild, ladybugs typically engage in mating during the warmer months, when food sources are abundant and the environmental conditions are favorable for reproduction. The male ladybug often seeks out a female by sensing chemical signals, known as pheromones. These are emitted by the female to signal her readiness to mate. Once the male finds a female, he approaches her cautiously. The two ladybugs may engage in a brief period of courtship, where the male may attempt to communicate his intentions through movements or tactile signals. Mating usually occurs when the male successfully climbs onto the back of the female. The process can last anywhere from several minutes to over an hour, depending on the specific species of ladybug and the environmental conditions. During this time, the male transfers sperm to the female, allowing her to fertilize the eggs she will soon lay. Ladybugs have internal fertilization, meaning that the sperm is deposited inside the female, where it will be stored and used to fertilize her eggs later. After mating, the female will begin to search for a suitable location to lay her eggs. This is typically done on the undersides of leaves, where she will deposit clusters of small yellow or orange eggs. The eggs will hatch into larvae within a few days, and these larvae will go through several stages of growth before becoming adult ladybugs. The larvae are voracious predators, feeding on aphids and other small insects, which helps control pest populations in gardens and agricultural fields. The mating process of ladybugs is not just about reproduction, but also about ensuring the survival of the species. Ladybugs have natural predators, such as birds and larger insects, and their eggs and larvae are vulnerable to various environmental threats. As a result, ladybugs must be efficient in mating and laying eggs during the right time of year to maximize their chances of survival. In summary, the sight of two ladybugs mating is a small but significant moment in the life cycle of these beneficial insects. Through this process, ladybugs contribute to the health of ecosystems by controlling pests, and their reproductive habits ensure the continuation of their species. While their mating behavior may seem simple, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature.